Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to teach you how to buy crypto and MoonPay. So here in MoonPay you must be verified using your own ID or government ID before you can buy and sell crypto. So once you have done that, you can buy and sell crypto. So here we can buy, so we can select the amount that we want and the cryptocurrency that we want. So here the best choice offer is going to be our stable coins or our USDT right here. So we can choose to buy 1,000, 200, 300, 400, or even in your own denomination if you want to do so. You can buy 30, which is going to be the minimum. That's euros, by the way. So continue. And then here, enter your Tron address for your deposit right there if you want to. But you can also get Solana if you want to, which is a famous option right here. You can buy Solana. So here, just place 100 euros right here. Next, and it will redirect you to another website where you will get your crypto. So not all is going to be the same. First right here, let's wait for it to load up. So here it's going to show you with your order for your Solana, and then here you're going to place up your own card or your own debit or credit card right here, and then you'll get 0.64 Solana for 100 euros right here. It will update every time in 10 seconds, so you must be quick. Of course, price changes every time. And then you will just place your CVV and then pay the 100 euros until it puts through, and then you will see it here in your wallet in the home. So there you go guys, it's just like that. It's pretty simple, and that's how you buy crypto here in MoonPay. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.